With the festive season, may it be Ganpati, Diwali or Christmas peeking its head around the corner, it's that time of the year again that you need to start looking for gifting options for your near and dear ones. Now, what does a gift mean to you? I would say the two most important things are, it needs to be meaningful and should serve a purpose for the one that's going to receive it. Sounds difficult? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through choosing the perfect gift for your loved one, that too on a budget. Leave gift in the comments below and we'll send you a customized list of affordable gifts for your close friends and family. Figure out what the person's interests are, what they love doing in their free time or what they like doing for a living. Brainstorm for a few minutes and don't worry if your list is long. The purpose of this is just to point you towards some cool ideas that you can shortlist and pick your present from. If the person is an avid reader, a new book from the bestsellers list is a great idea. Or if they enjoy watching shows such as Breaking Bad or Game of Thrones, there are plenty of online stores such as the Soul Store that sell accessories and merchandise with famous characters from these shows printed on them. This one works especially well if the person is a family member or has been your friend for a really long time. Take a trip down memory lane and bring back some of their favorite memories. Here, even the smallest gift has the power to make an emotional impact. This is why handmade gifts like picture collages or a video reel can be the most meaningful present. I gave a close friend of mine that I've known for more than a decade a canvas filled with pictures of us from school, college, and even the present as we wade our way through adulthood together. You can also use a video reel or photo album that can be put together by a bunch of other friends or family with heartfelt messages for someone that is going to get married, engaged, or is expecting. One of my personal favorites when I don't know what to gift someone is a care package. This can be made very personal if it's for a family member, husband or boyfriend, or not so personal if it's for a co-worker or someone you just know socially. It's the easiest way to work around your budget because it can be big or small as you please and can have anything from several small packages with personalized notes or even a huge amount of food. I mean, who wouldn't like that? Recently, when my sister turned 18, I put together a very special care package for her consisting of some of her most favorite things. A few fashion pieces like earrings and a cute pair of heels, a few makeup staples that I know she was going to purchase anyway, some pictures of us and our pets, and lots of candy. So customize it according to the person you're putting together the gift for. I think some of my favorite memories of my close friends and family are those in which we've experienced something together rather than gifted something to each other. So, make a memory for both of you out of this celebration. Take your loved one to attend a concert hosted by their favorite musician or take a trip together to a place both of you always wanted to visit. This is of course as and when things begin to open up. And don't worry, you don't have to sponsor the entire trip. This gift can be meaningful yet still affordable. You can book a nice tour, hike, or a once-in-a-lifetime experience for the place you're going to visit and surprise them when you get there. Now, for certain people, being practical is the best gift you can give. If your mom has been wanting a cute espresso machine for the kitchen counter, look no further than that. Now this one works great for my dad because he's super straightforward about what he wants and I don't have to give it too much of a thought. I know he enjoys a good practical gift like a crisp new shirt. Now what do you really gift to a person that has everything they already need? Look beyond and give them something to actually be proud of. A friend of mine is a wildlife photographer and doesn't really have any value for superficial gifts. So instead, I gave him an adoption certificate that says he's going to be paying for the food, health, and well being of a sick rhino at a sanctuary for an entire year. If your friend is an animal lover, donate to an animal shelter. If they're extremely fond of children, celebrate the day giving food and clothes to a children's home. Even beauty companies have been doing this for years together. Lancome, for example, raised almost $3 million for a children's hospital in the hope to give moments of happiness to the patients and their parents. We hope now gifting can be a breeze for you rather than you being confused or stressed about it. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.